Hi guys, welcome to one of my video today. Um, I'm really excited to talk to you guys about one of my buy that I bought online, and I'm really excited about it. I was kind of skeptic about this website. It's Jjhouse, and a lot of their dresses are from China. Not 100% sure. I don't know if it's like if everything was like produce over there, all the fabrics and everything. But I was looking through Facebook and I found this website, Jjhouse, and I really needed a dress. So I bought a dress online, and they ask you if you wanted to customize it to your size, or you can actually just buy the size. I was a little scared, so then I decided to do custom, but then at the same time I was like, oh, what if like I measure myself wrong and it's not gonna fit? But after I picked out the dress and I customized it, I actually chat with one of the lady on the website, and they actually help you through the process if you're uncomfortable ordering it and measuring yourself. But it was really, really good. Um, so I ordered my dress on January 8th, 2018, and today exactly is January 19th, 2018. It actually took me 2 weeks to get the product. So I'm really excited that this website is very responsible and really fast at especially if you custom size yourself for the dress that you want. So I'll show you how it was packaged. It came in a box like this, and I actually bought like three things from this website. So then the dress came in this bag, and this is how the bag looked like. This is like the back. It's like this fabric, and this is like plastic. So the dress came in this bag. When I first received the box, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe the dress fit in this box. But actually it did. And they folded inside out. So the inside was on the outside, and they folded really nice, and they just put in here. So I think I ordered on the 8th, contact them like twice through email. And then on like 2 days ago, they emailed me and said, hey, we're processing your package. And I'm like, oh wow, that was like a week and a half. So and then it said that you won't get your product until the 3 days from shipping. But actually it took me 2 days to get it, so that was really fast. Like a day, it came in a day ahead. So came in this kind of bag, and this is the dress, and I can't explain or can describe how beautiful it is. It's really, really pretty. And this is a closer view of the dress. These are like the little sequins. I'll put the link down there under my video of like which one I got. And this is I got the dark green. The one on the picture display was like a navy blue. I actually got a dark green. It's actually, I wouldn't say it's like really dark green. I think this is like more like a evergreen, or I don't know what kind of color you would say this green is, but I think this is more of like a evergreen, or like a green, like a deep green, not like a really dark green. But this is like, so the dress comes to here, and like everything from down here is like lace. So this is like a lot of fabric, and they did a really good job. This is how the back looked like. This is like the back. So these are like buttons. This dress is really, really pretty, and they did a really good job. The only thing that I didn't like was the buttons. They were like really loose. See how loose they are? They're like dangling down. But these little holes are like really, they're like elastic, so it's actually really nice. I'm gonna have to fix this. probably gonna have to hand sew it myself. I did these two, and these two are pretty sturdy, but the rest of these I'm gonna have to do one by one, and it's gonna take a long time. But these were not that sturdy. They were like hanging down. My husband was like putting them on. He's like, oh, I think like one came off, and I'm like, what? And I looked at it. It wasn't coming off. It was just really loosey. But this is how pretty it is. So they did a really good job. I put in my measurements, and it came in, and it fit like exactly my height with high heels, so it was like perfect. The only thing that I didn't really like was when I was trying it on. Oh, and here it is. It comes in with this tag too. There's like this tag. I think it like tells you like how, I don't know how to take care of it, but there's like this other one, and then there's this white one that comes in like the description, and there's like a barcode of like what color and, you know, the measurements of it. But this dress is very beautiful, and I'm pretty sure if I went to go buy this dress at like I don't know, like David's Bridal or something like a boutique, probably cost me like around $300-400, but I actually didn't pay that much. So I'm really happy with it. I'll probably have to take it in and see if they can adjust the arm, because this was really loose on me. Not gonna put it on. I'll probably show you guys pictures later if I have time, but this is how the arm looks like. It's really pretty. There's like actually two fabric. There's like a green, and there's like this nude in there, and I don't really like that nude, so I don't know, I might think about cutting that nude fabric off, because there's like two layers in there. But it's so beautiful. The back, and this is like the front. It's really pretty. And the this is how, I don't know if you can see it, but this is like the, this is, look at how many fabric there are. There's one, and there's two, and then the inside, which is like the liner, comes in this one, and there's this other one inside. And they, you know what, they did a really good job. Sometimes when you order things from China, you'll be so scared you'll think that, you know, maybe it's gonna be like a cheap dress, like cheap fabric, cheap dress, but this is actually legit. So I'm actually really happy. Okay, I'll talk to you later, okay? I ordered these shoes, and these, I ordered in size 6. The numbers are different online, and usually I'm a 5.5, but I bought these shoes in size 6, and I love them. They're so comfortable, and they're so pretty. Has like a little jewel here. Can Uncle Joe talk to Daddy? Sorry, those are my kids, and these are so pretty. I love it. This is in a champagne color, and I put it on, and it was like really comfortable. So these will be really cute. The quality is really nice. I actually bought this too. It's like a little headpiece. And I'll open this up and show you guys. They did a really good job at packaging. It's so pretty. Look how pretty it is. This is like the little jewel, and this is how pretty it is. And it's like a little, there's like a little comb here, and maybe like do something like that. I'm gonna braid my hair, do something like that. You know, sometimes they put it like in the back, and I got some extension too. So another one I want to show you guys, if you guys want to still listen, I got this I got these extensions. But too many things all over. I got these extensions from Dove Cameron, and this is like I think her line from Bellamy extension. I really really like it. This box is so cute. So then you get this box and you open it. And when I ordered my stuff, I was able to receive her accepted lashes. And ignore my little baby. And then I got like these sunglasses. I'll show you guys my sunglasses. It's so cute.
Mommy, they're looking now.
I know.
This is a white button.
Oh, my naughty girl. Oh, no. Don't do that, baby. Oh my gosh. Kids. So naughty. And these are like the sunglasses that I got for free. Oh, look at how cute they are.
Mommy, Aaron!
These are my little sunglasses.
Mommy, Aaron!
These are free.
Mommy, Aaron!
Okay. And, uh-oh, baby. Uh-oh. Can you guys go downstairs?
Mommy, I feel like it.
Okay, go downstairs. I'll come.
Okay,
And, came in this bag, and the extension, I opened it up and I already put it in here. So these are the extension. I'm super excited about it. I did put it on. It's a little bit more brown than my natural hair, but this is like what it came in. This hanger is like really cute. To open it, you just like hold it down or something, and this thing opens up. And these are like the extension. This is like comes with three pieces. 1, 2, 3. No, not 3. 5, 4, and 5. So there's 2 that has the 2 clip, and there's 2 that has the 3 clip, and 1 that has the 4 clip. And they are beautiful, and like this is my hair length, and with these my hair will probably be all the way down to right there. And these are like the 22 inch, I think, 22 inch. And I was like, oh, maybe I should get longer, but these are actually really long, so I really like that. Over here. And thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and were able to probably get some feedback on these products that I bought. Alright, thank you. Bye.